Welcome back to my channel. Hello beautiful viewers, we all want that radiant and younger looking skin, but factors like longer sun exposure without sun protection, dehydration, stress and lack of sleep can cause premature aging, wrinkles and fine lines. If you're dealing with such challenges, I've got a perfect solution for you. Today, I am sharing with you a powerhouse anti-aging mask that aims to reduce wrinkles, promote skin elasticity and leave your skin looking refreshed, glowing and youthful. Begin by taking a quarter cup of rice, known for its brightening and tightening properties. A quarter cup of oats for gentle exfoliation. Take 2 tablespoons of milk powder to boost the mask's nourishing properties. Lastly, take 15 to 20 almonds, rich in vitamin E, which is fantastic for skin's elasticity. Add all the ingredients in the grinder and grind them into a fine powder. The natural goodness from these ingredients will revitalize your skin, leaving it looking radiant and feeling younger. Transfer it into an airtight container and keep it at cool temperature. You can store this ground mixture for a month. To prepare the mask for application, add 2 spoons of this powder in a bowl. Make a paste by adding 2 to 3 spoons of yogurt or rosewater. Mix all these wonderful ingredients together to form a smooth paste. Once you achieve a consistent texture, apply the mask evenly to your face and neck. Leave it for 20 minutes while the mask works its magic. Then rinse off the mask with lukewarm water and admire the instant glow. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more beauty tips, and hit the notification bell to stay updated.